Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of working with Girasol Quartz, the Stone of Phobias. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to begin incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And today we're going to be doing that with Girasol. Now, Girasol Quartz is also called Girasol Opal, but it is actually a quartz. And it is a slightly frosted or milky quartz with a bit of an iridescent color to it. So it does look a little opalescent, which has probably contributed to it being called Girasol Opal, but it is part of the quartz family. And this gemstone is really unique in its abilities, and I highly recommend it if you have any sort of phobia at all or fear, because Girasol Quartz is the Stone of Phobias. So, of course, the first benefit of working with Girasol is that it helps to resolve phobias. So if you have a fear of something, really deep-seated fear, and you don't know where that fear came from, then Girasol is a great stone to sit with in meditation to help you discover where the root source of that is coming from, because it can come from previous lives. That is where many of our unexplained fears do come from. And then once you realize where the root source is, then sitting with Girasol will help you come to resolution and start releasing it. It's also useful if you do already know where your source of fear is coming from. If you had a scary issue with spiders when you were a child and continued to fear spiders or clowns, a lot of people are fearful of clowns too from childhood, then Girasol helps you to confront those fears, to explore why they might make you afraid, and to release that as well. So also it's helpful if you're currently being triggered by a fear and you want support. So if you run across that snake or you're at that spider that you're scared of, then back away, go find your Girasol, sit with Girasol, let the pounding of your heart reduce, release the fear from that experience, and come back to a calmer and soother state of mind. The second benefit of working with Girasol is that it helps us attract our soul group. And a soul group is a collection of souls that has been linked together life after life after life to help us with our spiritual progression in life. And your soul group could involve, like I said, many lifetimes, or it could be a new addition to your soul group, just depending on what your soul's destiny or your highest good might be. And when you do find your soul group, you do feel it pretty quickly. Like you meet somebody and it feels like you've known them all your life and you're instantly friends and they understand you pretty quickly. That is a sign that you have run into a member of your soul group. So sitting with Girasol and sending that intention out to the universe that you are ready to locate those souls, that you are ready to help support someone else and to receive support from your soul group friends. That is one of the wonderful and unique benefits of working with Girasol. And this The third benefit of working with Girasol is that it helps communication. Specifically, it helps us release the fear of expressing our opinions, of expressing our true self, of expressing our love to other people. This is about when we don't speak because we're hesitant, because we doubt, because we're fearful. And Girasol helps us to release those fears. It helps give us some support so that we can speak out for ourselves, for others. But especially if you have been afraid to tell somebody how you feel about them, then sitting with Girasol will help you realize why you might be afraid. And then it helps you step away from that fear and gives you the courage to speak your true feelings to people. It's a really unique ability of Girasol. This is a really unique stone to work with. And then the fourth benefit of working with Girasol is that it helps to direct intention or energy. So it helps us send our energy out into the world, out into the universe, and this can help us in a couple of ways. If you're currently working with intention and trying to manifest something into your life, those who are working with vision board or trying to attract some specific opportunity in their life, then working with Girasol will definitely help you focus those intentions, like get a really clear vision for what you are looking for, and then help direct that energy and those intentions out to the universe to try to attract those new and positive opportunities to you. But also, if you're an energy healer, if you are a Reiki healer, any type of energy work, then Reiki helps to focus and direct your energy when you're sending it out. So it could be with a client that's in the room with you, but it's especially helpful if you're doing distance healing of any kind. It really helps to amplify and then direct that energy out to the recipients. This is also really helpful if you just want to send love and compassion and positive energy out to a community that might be suffering. Girasol is so wonderful to help direct that strong, focused energy right out to the community that you feel needs help. Girasol is such a wonderful and unique gemstone to work with. It just wants you to release those fears, to be yourself, and to step forth in life towards your highest good. Because fears, they sometimes block the reception of the good things in our lives. And if we can let that go, then we're making space and room for new positive opportunities to arise in our life. So if you're suffering from fears or phobias, if you're feeling afraid to speak, if you want to attract positivity and those good things into your life, then sitting with Girasol is definitely an extremely beneficial gemstone. Thank you so much for sitting with me today to talk about Girasol Quartz and the wonderful benefits it can bring into your life. And if you feel like this is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then in 2 days, I'll be posting a guided meditation with Girasol. And you don't need a piece of the gemstone to sit and benefit from the guided meditation. It will actually help you determine if this is a gemstone that you'd like to purchase. To sit through the guided meditation, listen to the prompts, and if anything in this video or the guided meditation really calls to you or speaks to you, it feels really familiar, then that's a sign that you should get some Girasol and work with it some more. So thanks again for joining me today. If you are new to the channel, I talk about a different gemstone every single week and how it can really help you improve your life and navigate those life challenges. So if you're interested in doing an in-depth study on how crystals and gemstones can help you improve your life, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.